You won't believe just how amazing these ideogram colouring pages actually look. Now I have a bunch of these which I want to share with you, and if you stick around and watch the entire video, I'm also going to give you the prompts for all of these colouring pages, and I'm going to show you how you can take the prompts as well, go over to ChatGPT and create new prompts based on the originals. So let's go ahead and take a look through these. So I have round about 20 which I want to share. Now this one's a wolf, and this is probably my favourite. I just really love how this looks. Now this is also an SVG, so what I did was took the colouring pages over to Kittle, I deleted the background and then turned them into an SVG. Now I do that on certain colouring pages just to make them better quality, because now if we zoom in or enlarge this, we can see it doesn't lose quality because it's an SVG. But nonetheless, let's go through these. So that's a wolf. I have this really nice owl just here, which looks really great as well. This hedgehog, I really like how this turned out, and this looks pretty amazing. I also have this panda, this cow, this unicorn, which also turned out really good, this lion as well, along with the horse, this turtle. I really liked the pattern on the shell of this. Now, the great thing I'm really loving about Ideogram at the minute is that it's really good at creating these types of patterns and practically making them flawless. So if we take a look at this, we can see that this pattern does in fact look flawless. Now, what is this? This is a raccoon, which looks really good as well. I also have this little bunny. This bird, I really like the style of this. Now, if you really like one of the designs, again, I'm going to show you how to take the prompt, go over to ChatGPT, and then you can get new designs just like this, but then with different animals. Then we have this ladybug. This bee turned out really great as well, along with this cat and this butterfly, this deer, the swan. I really liked how this one turned out as well. This cute little fox, elephant, and then that's it. But again, as you can see, once actually turn into an SVG and put on a white background, just like this, with a little border, because this is just a little border. This is really, really easy to create as well. But once you do that, the designs just look really good. Now, one thing I quickly want to note, if you are into creating colouring pages using Ideogram, well, I have a couple of free resources which you might want to check out. This one is my 100 plus Ideogram mandala prompts. Now, I recently updated this and added even more prompts, and we also have Valentine's in here as well. Now, this is completely free. All you have to do is put in 0 just here. And I also have this little freebie as well, which is 100 Ideogram quote colouring page prompts. Now again, this one is completely free, and if you want to check this out as well, then I'll link this down in the description as well. So here we are on my Ideogram public profile. Now all of the designs you see just here, you can come through because I'll link my public profile down in the description, but then you can come through. If you like any of these, you can simply click on them and then use the prompts just here. There's the magic prompt and also the normal prompt. And then all you have to do is simply copy that or just add it to the box by clicking use. But nonetheless, I have all of these just here. I have even more colouring pages, which is here on my Ideogram public profile, and lots of more cool stuff as well in regards to POD, which is print on demand, clip art, and lots of cool stuff. So I do highly suggest just coming through if you already have an Ideogram account and checking out all of my prompts so you can play around with them yourself. But nonetheless, here are all of the designs. As you can see, there's 20 of them. Now, what I want to show you is how to take one of these prompts, go over to ChatGPT, and then create even more prompts. So let's say I wanted to use this one. I can simply come over and copy the prompt. Then I can come over to ChatGPT. Now, when using this, make sure you're on the latest version, which is 5.2, and then what you want to ask it first is something like this. I'm going to give you one of my favourite colouring page prompts. I then want you to change out the animal for something else, but keep the structure of the prompt. Do you understand? Just respond with yes. It put yes. And then I put First, can you give me a list of very, very cute animals? I spelled cute wrong just there, but it doesn't matter. But it gave me all of these. And then this is where I added my prompt. So I put, here is the prompt. I plugged in that prompt. I then put, please use a fennec fox. And then it gave me this. So now if we copy this, let's come back over to ideogram just here, and then let's plug that in here and see what it gives us. So I'll click generate. Now let's just give that a second to do its thing. And there we go. If I now refresh the page, they are just here. And wow, look at these. These look amazing. I like that one, but this one looks even better. Wow, I really, really like that. But then I said another with a different animal. Then it gave me this one. So if we copy this and then come over to Ideogram again, let's plug that in there, let's click enter, and again, let's just give it a second. And there we go. So let's go ahead and take a look. This one I really like. That looks really, really good. This one's okay, not one of my favorites. Then let's take a look at these ones. I really like that one, and I really like this one. Now let me just delete the ones that I don't like, just like that. So there we go. We now have this new one, which looks really, really good. And this cute little fox one as well, which again looks really good. And then we have the rest. So as you can see, it's really simple and really easy to take one of these prompts, plug them into ChatGPT, and then get an endless stream of new prompts and in this style. So again, I highly suggest just coming through to my public profile, and I'll link it down in the description below. And don't forget, if you do want some free resources for creating prompts for colouring pages using Ideogram, then don't forget to also check out my couple of little freebies. Now, before I go, there is actually one thing which I actually forgot to talk about. Let's come back over to here. Now, all of these right here, again, I turned into SVGs just to make them a little bit better quality. Now, I always do this with certain style colouring pages, especially kind of patterns, because again, now if we zoom in on this or enlarge it, it doesn't lose that quality. Now, I do this within Kittle and not Canva, because Canva, when you turn it to an SVG, it still doesn't have the best quality. Now, I'm probably going to make a video all about this over the next couple of weeks, so if you're interested, keep an eye out for that. Now, to turn these into an SVG as well, I did make a video about this. It's kind of old now, but it's still super relevant as Kittle hasn't changed much. Now, if you want to know how to actually do that, take your colouring pages, turn them into SVGs over in Kittle as well, I'll link that video down in the description so you can go through and check that out as well. But nonetheless, that's everything which I wanted to share with you, because these colouring pages just look awesome. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, well, click right here and have a watch of this.